Hey guys, Marcelo Danzi here with Assault Industries. I am super pumped and stoked to be in this new compound here. So I brought you into the new Polaris Pro R, which has our center mirror installed. This is our bomber mirror. It's one of our two mirrors that we offer. It has all the great features that our center mirror has. It's very modular, the glass is replaceable, and most importantly, it is customizable. The great thing about it is you can remove the bezels, you can remove the back plate, and powder coat it to any color you want. You can actually even add the shreddy backplate to it as well. The great thing about our mirrors are that they are universal. You can use our clamps that we offer in 1.5, 1.75, 1.875, and 2-inch. So we do have vehicle-specific brackets like we have here on the Pro R that make it a very easy install for our center mirror.